Guys, naa sa gawas nag-open ang doors, so ako lang siyang gibantayan kung mulakaw ba ni siya. Nagsigig simhot-simhot. Ansa kayang plano sa iyang nara siya sa gawas. Mga 5 minutes ago na siya naadiha, so ako lang siyang bantayan. Balik na siya, so daily dyan din siya magawas basta naaralan ko sa sulod. Kung wala ko sa balay, maun na mo gawas siya kay pangitaon ko niya. Yes, really? Yeah, open the door quick, quick. Toilet or not? Cleaning the poop of our dog. Si Foxy nag-yoga, nagpamassage. Gusto niya ng massage. Massage rin pag may time. Hindi nare-reklamo. Sarap na sarap. Uy, sarap na sarap ka. Ako na rin, imamasas mo rin ako, ha? $50 an hour. Hindi, mimik. Gusto niya ng masas. Tama na, ay? Be kind, okay? Buddy. Be good. Lo. Good night. Good night. First reaction, hi! We miss you so much! Welcome back!
Welcome home,
Welcome back home. Oh, did you miss him? Oh, bear. Sila man dalawa, duha ng shadow. Tanawa ng eyes, tanawa, what's it, tanawa ng lipahin niya. After, pila ka, nearly a month, no?
21 days.
Baby. And Foxy, excited too. Hi,
Lucky you wear short, darling, or you're gonna get hurt.
Hi, pick me up.
Pick up, Foxy. Not bad because he's very excited.
See?
Yeah, he's breathing funny, darling.
You're gonna go to the bed, okay? Baba. He's not eating.
No, darling, that's what happened to Bubby.
And it's Christmas time. Is it? We love you, Mama. It's not eating. Yeah, Foxy going to the bed.
So the case of Melissa Caddick, perfect example. I mean, obviously she disappeared and they allegedly found
Because
her
he's
body,
sick.
but she ran off with so millions and millions of dollars. So I think that also compels us to watch, along with the auction recently of her clothes and her jewellery. So there's really a captive audience out there. And as I said, the Prince and the Pervert, 3 million downloads we've had. We did not expect that. How do you pick which crime you're going to do a podcast on? The one I can't stop talking about.
It's a perfect way to explain it, but do you think inherent in all of them, as you said, with the rise in the interest in fraud crime, is that belief that you could easily become a victim yourself?
Love you, Foxy.
And also with true fraud,
Oh yeah, well we were just travelling down to Sydney for the ASRL rowing competition, and we saw Andrew and her surfer was waiting for help, and we went in and got him. And luckily we were met with some off-duty paramedics. We were able to do CPR and bring him back. Yeah.
Andrew, tell us a little bit about the two magnificent Australians standing there beside you. What they did really did help save your life.
Absolutely, and it's a real credit to Surf Life Saving Australia and their surf life saving clubs to be able to train them to be able to react in a moment, get into the water, get me back to the surface, back to the beach, and in their hands and with the paramedics to be able to resuscitate me. So absolutely incredible. I know that the boys and the clubs train a lot, but
Foxy. We love you so much. We're going to the bed, okay? If you're feeling better, okay, Baba? It's my baby Foxy. We love you so much. Super, super love you.
Andrew, you say that so eloquently, a really important message too. And I just want to give the last word to Ted and Will. I mean, in the same way for Andrew, it must feel
Love you forever, baby. Okay.
must also feel
16 years old. Baby boy, that's video. Before we're gonna go to the bed, okay?
Is it done?
Baba, you didn't sleep last night in here, isn't it? Yeah? Uh, it's time to go to bed. Hopefully you're still coming back after the bed. It's my baby Foxy. Fighting talaga siya. We love you so much. Yeah? Did you miss the bed? Foxy. You're going, Baba. Come. Come on. Come. Hopefully this is the last time you can stay in the bed. Hope you're coming back after the bed, Baba. Come on. Foxy. Foxy. Come on, Bobby. Please come back after the bed. Okay? Don't leave us, please. Let's go to the lounge room. Foxy. That's Foxy. He was sick. He had couple time of seizures. We love you, okay? Forever. Please don't leave us. Yeah? You come back after the bed, okay? Hi, Foxy. Are you feeling better? Foxy. My 16 years old Pomeranian dog. So sad. He had 2 seizures. Nagsi-seizures siya. Poor thing. And we're going to the vet later at 11:30 kasi yun ang time na nakuha namin. So hopefully he can come back home after. Wish, fingers crossed. Baba, we're going to the hospital, okay? We're gonna fix you. Don't leave us, please, because we love you so much. We love. Fox is so sick. So we're just waiting for his bed appointment at 11:30. I just give him a lot of cuddles. Hopefully makauwi pa siya after. Hopefully it's not his last video. But sometimes need to accept the truth na he's old. Pero ang sakit-sakit. Spot. Isn't it, Baba? Is that your favorite spot? So sad. Hindi na siya kumakain. Kunti na lang kina niya kagabi. Hopefully I did miracle. Huh? Yeah? Thank you for fighting. 16 years old. Si Foxy. Equivalent na human life. 112. He's having a good life. Hi. Baba. Yeah? Foxy. Later, we're going to the doctor na. Hopefully, we need a miracle, ma'am. You can come back with us, huh? Don't leave us. Foxy sick. Nagsisisor siya. Can't hardly breathe. At hindi na siya laging sumusunod sa akin. Hopefully, this is not the last cuddle, Foxy. Hope you're getting better. I know you're 16 years old. I love you so much, Mama. Relax, before we're gonna go to the bed, okay? Before we're going to the bed, punasan ko muna siya. Kailangan siya dalhin sa doktor kasi may sakit si Foxy. Nagsisseizure sa nahirapan guminhawa. Hopefully, makabalik siya. And Foxy's 16 years old or 112 equivalent human age. Hindi na siya kunti na lang siya kumakain, hindi na uminom ng tubig. Hopefully, makabalik pa siya sa amin. Kaya pala, no, kapahalagahan talaga yung mga para mabango si Foxy. Baba. Punas. And give him a lot of cuddle. Paliguan ko sana siya today pero paano, not feeling well siya. Dalhin ko na lang siya sa doktor. At least 15 minutes. When we're going to the vet na. Matitreat na si Foxy. Hopefully you're getting better soon, Foxy, okay? Please come back home. Okay? You promise. Come back home with us. Walang nangiiwan, okay? No, no, no. Sama kita. Cuddle, cuddle, not biggie cuddle. Hopefully this is not the last cuddle that we have, huh? You're breathing so fast na, Foxy. Parang maghirap ka, Foxy. Whatever it is, tatanggapin ko. Mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you. So we're going to the vet na, guys. So we're going to the vet na, Foxy. I love you so much, okay? Kung ano, we need to be strong. So padong naman ni Foxy. Foxy, don't cry, Baba. So, punta na kami sa vet. Hintayin lang namin si Paz, okay? Just always there. Foxy, pagaling ka, ha? Welcome back home together.
Of course. Ang kami dyan, tiniguan mo.
Usay kayo makatuan, mag-chocolate. Usahay.
Since you're also before conversion.
Ayo, Foxy. Fox. Ayo. Magaling ka, ha? Kasi para makauwi ka, ha? Yes. Good. If you're gonna have a seizure tonight, so we can.
We're gonna take him home first.
I don't know, cause it's late. We come home 3 and then they were close to 12. So,
He cannot finish like it.
huh?
Dili siya maka-take down dari.
So, bye.
I mean, we can take him home and then give just like a try and then let's see how he feels tomorrow. Maybe he can still be okay.
And what if he can have seizure tonight, no?
At least, my idea, my opinion, at least Shane can still see him when he get home.
And a bit cruel down. 12 midnight. And then, kung you're gonna see him, na makirig-kirig. 4 times na sa tunod lang. Gahapon. Pero gabi lang ang gingon kay. Put him to sleep.
Ikawida sa mga makampi?
No. Huh? Foxy. You're gonna see her. Foxy. Bye, Foxy. We love you so much. So, Foxy's home now. So, isang bag na lang si Foxy. Bago ko lang siya na pick up after work. So pet sprayer. Nandito na si Foxy. Nakando. Foxy's inside. Yun ang pinakasakit, guys. Dugay kayo mamakuyog, pero one day lang yun. Sobrang sakit. One lost. Baby's home again. Pero nasa ano na lang siya. Nasa urn. Then I received a flowers. I received a flowers from my co-workmates. They're very loving and caring people that I've ever met in my whole life. Thank you, Richie. Flowers. Foxy! Foxy's there! Come! Here! Here! Bear! Foxy's here! Look! He's inside the urn. Where's Foxy? Hey? Where's Foxy? Did you see him? Look! He's over there. Look here. Foxy's there. Say hi, Foxy. Come! You wanna say hello to Foxy? Bear, come on! You wanna say hello to Foxy? Hey? Your playmate. Come on! Here's baby Foxy. Here's Foxy. You scared with him now? That's him. Oh, you can smell Foxy. It's Foxy now? Do you think it's really Foxy?
Yeah, they wouldn't do that to you. It's too much of big money.
Yeah, $760 all up.
One little fox.
What's you call that? Euthanasia, cremate, and
Cremation.
a baby boy is home.